Okay, that cool intro animation you just saw was made from one of my cyberpunk characters. In this video, I'll show you how you can create stylish, animated clips of your favorite game characters, completely free and in about a minute. So, this is where we start. Google Flow. You can sign in using your Google account and you get 50 credits every day. That means you can create a few videos daily without paying anything. And since it's account-based, if you happen to have multiple Google accounts, you'll get 50 credits on each one, which means even more videos. All right, let's jump in and take a look at what I've made. This first example is my Neo 3 character. Honestly, she's one of the cutest characters I've ever created. I asked the AI to make her smile, just to see if it would make her look even better. Because, let's be real, in most games, characters almost never smile. And when they do, it usually looks a bit off. I don't know why creating a natural, beautiful smile is so difficult in games, but here, it actually looks pretty perfect. Next up is my favorite Starfield character. Let's see how this one turned out. Okay, here the AI is rotating the camera and even generating a background that doesn't exist in the original game. But still, you can clearly recognize that it's my character, just with a natural smile added. So now, let's go through how to actually create these clips. I've taken a few screenshots from Cyberpunk's photo mode, and I'll upload them here. Let's take this one as an example. First, I add the screenshot to the prompt. Then I simply describe what I want the AI to do. In this case, I write, "Make a video. The character smokes cigarette, and at the end of the video, she starts smiling." Next, let's check the settings. Most of these are fine, but I'll switch from OmniFlash to the Light Engine, since it's a bit cheaper, and I only have about 10 credits left for today. I'm not sure how big the quality difference is, but for quick clips, Light works just fine. And like I mentioned earlier, you'll get 50 new credits every day. And it's a lot, especially if you're using multiple accounts. All right, the video is ready. Let's take a look. So yeah, it is what it is, and pretty much what I asked for. So, I guess you understand the idea. And now, I just want to wish you happy creating with Google Flow. And thanks for watching.